Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. You're watching Fashion Taste, where we upload different kind of designs on fashion, and this is just to entice and to inspire you. So if it is your first time stopping by this channel, we are happy to have you here. Please hit the subscribe button, and if you are old and returning subscriber, we say thank you so much for always coming to watch our videos, and we thank you for being here always. Before we get started, we want to give a big shout out to everyone that has made this video possible, as to the designers of this beautiful outfit, to the designers of this wonderful outfit. Without these ones, there is no video. We thank you so much, and also to the ladies, beautiful and gorgeous ladies putting on this outfit. We appreciate you and we say thank you because you look so amazing in this. This is a peplum dress. As you can see, we have both Ankara and lace designs, and we have we have 3 steps of peplum, just depending on how you love and want the style to be. And with these peplum tops, you can use it to fit in different skirts, palazzo trousers, and you can even sew it up and down, as you can see this wonderful lady is wearing. So if you love this video, just stick to the end of it to see how beautiful this peplum gown and peplum tops look. And please do enjoy the rest of the video. Give the video a thumbs up if you love it. Bye for now.